really gets the people talking. That's what you want to bring in business, right? You really want to get the people talking. Hey everybody, Scavenger Steve back here with you. I find myself today in San Antonio, Texas, and I'm actually just about 3/4 of a block from my hotel entrance. I have a Holiday Inn here at 9536 Amelia Pass, San Antonio, Texas. Right across, like I said, about 3/4 of a block, they're putting in a massively large sports bar and restaurant, and it's going to be called Little Woodrow's, like Woodrow Wilson. I don't know where they got that name. There are 2 or 3 other Little Woodrow's around San Antonio, and they're very successful. So just going to give you an idea of what the restaurant looks like from the back side, and then I'll film it for you from the other side. But for you people that are trying to make a buck or looking for the right idea, this might give you an idea. So these people have 2 or 3 other Little Woodrow's, and they have giant sized TVs. This, what I'm touching here, is a metal support, of course, and there's one over here in the middle, and they're 15 feet apart. There's another one, and we'll come over here, and we have a third one. So what am I trying to say here? They're installing the world's largest TV screen, and they just got done asphalting last night at 11 o'clock. This is all brand new asphalt. They're going to put all kinds of tables and chairs right over here on the new asphalt, and they're going to draw massively large groups of people that will come to watch their favorite basketball, football, or baseball game. But a TV screen that's 30 feet long and probably 20 to 25 feet high is just something you don't see every day. So if you want to get started in business, or you're already in business and you're thinking, well, how can I jumpstart my business? Take this as an idea. If you're in the food and beverage industry and you want to start a sports bar, you already have a sports bar, this is in my mind, a terrific idea, because there's almost nothing like it in the world. Well, I just said there are a couple of other Little Woodrow's around San Antonio. But for all intents and purposes, it really stands out as being unique and one of a kind. So it really, here's my point, really gets the people talking. That's what you want to bring in business, right? You really want to get the people talking. So now I'm almost around to the front here. I have to tilt the camera up just a little bit to get all that in. All right, so there you are. I don't know where this guy thought of it. I didn't even know a TV screen this large even existed in the entire world. But they are doing it, and they massively want to bring in the money. So you have to massively bring in the crowds, and they found a way to do it. They were supposed to open here yesterday, but they missed their opening date by a few days. I'll probably be back in Iowa when they open up. But nonetheless, it's a scavenging idea. You get something that will really make money like a land office business. My dad used to say, you'll have continual income, really strong, good income, and that's what you want. If you're going to take time to do something, take time to make a big splash, especially in business, as long as you're not trouncing on other people's toes, of course. So this is Scavenger Steve saying so long, everybody, from San Antonio, Texas, and hope you enjoyed this. And I am encouraging you to go seize the day, like what you could do right here, like what I just told you about, and scavenge your way, and you'll have a lot of money one of these days soon. See you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.